Hello Volkswagen lovers, and welcome to White Island Volkswagen. There's a lot of cars out there you've seen and very familiar with. Some of them are competitors of this one I'm about to show you. Did you know that the Volkswagen Arteon exists? This here is a 2022 SEL R-Line. It comes equipped with a 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating an impressive 300 horsepower, still maintaining 30 miles to the gallon. And yes folks, it is an all-wheel drive vehicle. When it comes to style, the Arteon falls short of nothing. With its captivating appearance and bold lines, creates a sleek stance, giving the car the appearance that it's constantly in motion. And you want to talk about features and technology? Well, the Volkswagen Arteon has that and much more. Equipped with a very cool movable navigation screen, displayable both in the main entertainment center or your digital cockpit. It comes equipped with wireless charging and wireless connectivity to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It also has the new IQ Drive, featuring lane assist, travel assist with dynamic radar cruise control, blind spot monitoring system, also featuring pedestrian recognition and roadside display, and the ever important front collision and rear cross traffic alert, ensuring your drive to be safe and fun at the same time. Has an original MSRP of $48,190. Call us crazy, but it is available now for $44,299, nearly $4,000 in discounts. And not only does it come with the features and technology that we discussed, it also comes with 2 years of complimentary maintenance, 3 years of roadside assistance, 4 years or 50,000-mile warranty, and a 5-year complimentary MyVW app with service subscriptions and advanced options. Take advantage now of the sleek and stylish Volkswagen Arteon and drive something that not many people have experienced.